So we've been shopping at Barry's. My friend and I, Tim, are making 2 quilts. And Tim wants one and I want one, and they're both different colour schemes. So that's where we've been, at Barry's at Digbeth in Birmingham, and I've done a couple of tutorials and filmed around the shop before on my previous videos. So that's where they are in Birmingham. It's Moseley Street, Digbeth. So that's the quilt we're making, or I'm making for us. It's called the Summer Moon. So what I should be doing from now on is making a block on each style. There's 3: large, medium and small, and I should be doing one block of each, and then you'll be able to sew along. But if you need to do this and you want some help, then I should be showing you how to put the blocks together, but unfortunately, because it belongs to Carrie Nelson, you need to buy this book to get all the sizes. So that's the Summer Moon block, and this is the colour scheme that Tim has roughly set himself towards. Not exactly, but this, he liked this pastel shade of blocks. For what you see on the table, he spent £153, and we start in this lower corner with the 3 greens he purchased, which are there. Then we'll move up to all the blues and the aquas, and at the back there he's got one that shows pink, blue, red with a peach background. Then if you come down from the other side, you've got pink at the back, and then he's got his yellows or mustardy coloured ones, and then here's his 4 backings. This is his backing fabric, and he's basically cream based. This is cream because the background is tone on tone and it's cream on white, so it's cream. This one is classed on the roll as cream. Then he's got this cream back, again tone on tone, another tone on tone, and then a plain. So he's basically a cream background, and he's gone for pastel shades, mainly blues with pinks and greens and gold yellows to make the quilt pop. So that's Tim's choice, and here's my collection for my quilt. It's the same quilt, different colours. That's 126. I need to find more because I haven't got enough backing fabrics. I couldn't get out of a lot of the white backing. That could actually go over as a white backing fabric. There you are. So I started with the grey. I got the one grey because I thought it was really nice. I like that. And then I've got 4 blacks. And I've got a black with white, 3 blacks with white, and one's a polka dot. And then I've got one with a bit of pink, and I've got the aqua and greens. Looking at the back, we've got reds and pinks, and we've got I'll sneak a peach in that quite match. That does actually look nice because it's got a white background. And then I've got a poppy with white background as well. And then if you look down here, if I use this as one of my backing fabrics, then I've got 3 background fabrics, not backing fabrics, background. But I still need a couple more plain, so I'll have to go online to find those. So that's mine. I haven't spent quite so much as Tim, for the reason that I didn't get as many colours. I think he got 19 altogether, whereas I got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 14. So obviously the amount I need is divided with the, so he had 19 divided into 10 yards, which gave him obviously less each one. whereas I've got 14 divided into 10 yards, because that's how many colours that you need to make the quilt. And then I need some more colours for my background, because I could actually move that one over to that side, but I think it would look better as a background fabric. So there you go, that's what we bought for the quilts, and I'll just show you a picture of the colour quilt that inspired me to do the colours I picked, which is there. And obviously you can see the pinks and the dark reds, and as an aqua and some greens and black. So that's the colour I want, and that's the colour Tim wants. So that's what we've got so far in those. On top of this, I spent another £58. All the prices range from £2.95 upwards to £9.95. It all depends which fabric you go for, but they're all 100% cotton. And then I bought some Christmas fabrics while I was there, and I got the two penguin colours, one darker blue and one an aqua, and that's got aqua in it. Then I got the greens, one's a cream background, one's a dark green background, and the red with the gold stars, white with gold and black, and again white with gold and black. So there you go, that's what I bought at Barry's Fabrics, Digbeth in Birmingham today. Tim came with me and he chose all his own colours. There you go, so I've just got to start making. If you want to make this quilt, the book costs $19.99. You can find it online, and I should probably start next week or the week after making the blocks. Thank you for joining me. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and each time I load a video you'll be notified. Thank you very much.